Assalamualaikum my dear students, how do you feel today? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and me too. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm gonna take a mathematics class for class 3, and our topic is what problem 8, 9 and 10. What problem 8, 9 and 10, page 60, which is included the half yearly syllabus, and our lecture is 20 and HW is 18, which is the same as this class. HW 18, which is the same as this class. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Now question 8. Tondra Chakma drives at the rate of 45 km per hour. How many kilometers will she go in 8 hours at the same speed? Now solution. My dear students, here is per kilometer. Per kilometer means 1 hour. So we can write at 1 hour she drives 45 kilometers. Now 8 hours. At 8 hours she drives 45 times 8 kilometers. Here my dear students, we have to multiply 45 and 8. 5 8s are 40, there is carry 4, 8 4s are 32 and 4 is 36. So it will be 360 kilometers. So the answer is 360 kilometers. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Now go to the next question 9. 1 taka is equal to 100 paisa. How many paisa will be in taka 10? So here given that 1 taka is equal to 100 paisa, 1 taka is equal to 100 paisa. Now here the 10 taka, therefore 10 taka is equal to 100 multiply 10 paisa. Now here we have to multiply 110. 110, you have to here 0, then 0 0 1. So here it will be 0 0 0 and 1. So the 1000 paisa. So the required answer is 1000 paisa. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Now go to the next one and the last question 10. There are 130 pages in a book. How many pages are there in 28 such books? So here solution is, here 130 pages in a book, that means in one book, how many pages are there? 130 pages. Therefore in 28 books, 130 multiply 28 pages. Here we have to multiply 130 and 28. 8 zeros is 0, 8 threes are 24, there is carry 2, 8 ones are 8 and 2 is 10. Now 2 zeros 0, 3 twos are 6 and 2 ones are 2. Now add this one, 0 plus 0 it will be 0, 4 plus 0 it will be 4, 6 plus 0 it will be 6, 2 and 1 it will be 3. So the answer is 3640 pages. So the required answer is 3640 pages. My dear students, hope you understood this maths. Practice at your home more and more. Take care of yourself. See you soon and till then Allah Hafiz.